Okay, hi everybody. I went to Westgate, QCD Technology retail store. The Indian manager told me the problem lies with this Apple TV Box 3 TV controller. So after I changed the battery, okay, it's finally working well. Okay, so later, this Apple TV Box shall go again into my Johor Princess Cove home. Okay, so remember to change the battery. Yeah, normally it's just the battery problem. Okay, this are battery. Okay, so problem solved, and I'm sure that Johor Princess Cove condominium China Shenzhen Skywave TV has no problem. It's only the problem of this remote controller dead battery dead. Okay, see you later in Johor. Okay, see you. Bye, YouTubers.